Good morning, students. Continuing with the practical part of the simulation problems. Just see the question. A confectioner sells confectionery items. Demand per week in 100 kg with frequency is given. Demand is given as well as frequency is given. In this question, random numbers are also given. It might happen in any of the questions, the random numbers are not given. And in that case, you have to use the numbers from the random table. So when you are using the random table, in that case, the numbers could be taken arbitrarily as per your choice from that table, but again in a sequence. Now, using random numbers, generate demand for next 10 weeks. Also find average demand per week. Just see, demand is given, frequency is given, also the random numbers are given. First thing is, in the Monte Carlo technique, first you have to write down about the demand, make a table, demand should be there, frequency is there. From the frequency, we have to calculate the probability. Just see, I have calculated it. This is demand as given over here, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Frequency 2, 11, 8, 21, 5, 3. This I have put in different columns. Then probability. The total of frequencies 50. So probability is going to be 2 by 50, that is 0.04. Next one, it is 11 by 50, 0.22. Similarly, the probability for all these cells have been calculated. After this, the next step is calculating cumulative probability. First is 0.04. Second one would be 0.04 plus 0.22, that is 0.26. Then 0.42, 0.84, 0.94. This is 100, but we don't have to write 100. Okay? So we have put blank over here. The next thing is to assign the random numbers. Just see, 00 to 03, जो ये cumulative probability की फिगर है, ये 2 डिजिट फिगर्स आए हुए हैं आपके पास, उतना ही आपने लेना है, बस उससे एक फिगर कम लेना है. 00 to 03. नेक्स्ट वुड बी 04 to 25, since it was 0.26. Another 26 to 41. Then 42 to 83. 84 to 93. And the last one would be 94 to 99. Now, till now, we have just inserted the frequencies, calculated the probability, then the cumulative probability, and then random numbers are assigned. Now, we'll use the information which is given for the random numbers. In the next table, just write down the day number. Since the question is saying you have to generate the demand for the next 10 weeks. So I have put the day number up starting from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Random numbers are given. 35, 52, 90, 13, 23, 73, 34, 57, 35, 83. So we were given almost around 20 random numbers and I think 16 random numbers in the question, and we require 10 and we have used the 10, but those are used continuously in the series only. Now, you have to write the range in which random number falls. Range is over this first table which you have drawn, that is assigning the random numbers. First one, 35 would fall in, just see the category. Is it 26 to 41? Then 52. It will fall in 42 to 83, 90. It would be in 84 to 93. Then 13, 4 to 25, 23, again 4 to 25, 73, 42 to 83, 34, 26 to 41, 57, just see, 42 to 83, 35, 26 to 41, 83, 42 to 83. Now demand corresponding to the random numbers. First see 26 to 41, इसमें डिमांड देखो कितनी है, दैट इज 10. 42 to 83 डिमांड इज 15. 84 to 93 डिमांड इज 20. 4 to 25 डिमांड इज 5. 4 to 25 again 5. 42 to 83 15. 26 to 41 it is 10. 42 to 83 15. 26 to 41 it is 10. Then again 42 to 83 it is 15. 42 to 83 15. The next thing is, I hope this is clear. 26 to 41 यहाँ पे आपने देखना है उसकी डिमांड कितनी थी. Now just total this demand. So the total of the corresponding demand, that is 120, and in this case the question was using the random numbers generate demand for next 10 weeks. This is the demand for the next 10 weeks. Also find average demand per week. Now total demand is 120 and divided by 10, since we are talking about 10 weeks. So average demand is going to be 12. So this is going to be the answer in this case.